Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! It is 2018 and I'm so excited to spend another year making videos for you guys. So to kick off the new year on my channel, I am partnering with Sally Beauty to show you guys my favorite products that I'm bringing in with me to 2018 for a fresh start. This video is going to range everywhere from how I got this super moisturized wash and go to some of my favorite skincare products, as well as how I got this natural feminine makeup look. So I'm going to be hooking you guys up with the DL on all of the best products you guys need to be bringing into 2018 with you. So if you're interested in seeing some of my favorite hair products, skincare products, and makeup products for a fresh start in 2018, then please keep watching. To start out this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my new favorite wash day routine products. These are all from Sally Beauty, and as you can see, my hair is in pretty rough shape. I've been going to the gym for 2018, so now we have to get this hair right. So for my wash day, I'll be using the Can2 Apple Cider Vinegar Root Rinse. I'll be using the Silk Elements MegaSilk Olive Moisturizing Treatment, as well as the Shea Moisture Shea Butter Body Wash. For today's wash day, I really felt like my hair and scalp needed a deeper clean, so I'm replacing my regular shampoo with this Can2 Apple Cider Vinegar Root Rinse with tea tree oil. So this is really going to detox my hair and my scalp from any buildup, dirt, or oil that I have in my hair. Luckily, this product has a great smell, so you can get all the benefits of apple cider vinegar without worrying about that really harsh vinegar scent. Next, I'm going in with this Silk Elements Deep Conditioning Treatment, and I'm just going to apply this over my entire hair, and then I'm going to work it through my strands, massage my scalp, making sure I'm getting everything thoroughly coated and moisturized. While I'm letting my deep conditioner sink into my hair and get all that goodness, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Body Wash. This has frankincense and myrrh, which really gave this body wash a delicious smell. It's also anti-aging, hydrating, and rejuvenating, so once I washed it off, I smelled amazing and I looked pretty amazing too. Lastly, I'm going to detangle my hair with the Silk Elements Moisturizing Treatment still in, then I'm going to rinse everything out and continue to my wash and go. Alright, so now that we have freshly washed and conditioned curls, I'm going to be going in with the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner. This is a really lightweight leave-in conditioner which you can spray, and it's great for all hair types. This next product is actually one of my favorite winter tips and tricks, which I haven't mentioned on my channel yet. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Cream. So I think you're probably wondering why I'm using a blow dry cream if I'm not straightening my hair or doing the heat style, but it is winter, so I'm not going to let my hair air dry because that would take forever. I actually am going to use my diffuser and apply a little bit of heat. So by using a heat protectant or a blow dry cream such as this Shea Moisture one, I know I'm locking in the moisture but protecting my hair from any heat damage or frizz a blow dryer might cause. Next up is my Carol's Daughter Prakashi Nectar Frizz Tamer. This is actually a clear edge control, so while my hair is still wet, I'm going to apply a little bit of this onto my edges and slick them down with an eyebrow spoolie. For a gel, I'm using Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. This was a really lightweight gel and made my hair really defined without weighing it down or giving it that crunch. Lastly, I'm using the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Conditioning Design Foam. So this is going to help control frizz, especially when diffusing. Now that we're done with all the hair products, I'm going to begin diffusing. This took about 25 to 30 minutes to get my hair 100% dry, and I use the diffuser on the medium heat setting at the highest speed possible. To add a cute detail to my wash and go, I'm taking a side section and just creating a braid. Then I'm going to pin it on the side to, switch up my wash and go every once in a while. And now we're going to move on to skincare. To prep for my makeup look, I'm using the Freeman Beauty Infusion Revitalizing Peel Off Mask. This mask helps to refine pores and instantly boosts radiance. So I applied this mask to my entire face and let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes and then peeled it off to reveal super smooth and clean skin. To start our makeup look, I'm going to be using the Collab Smoothing Primer Base. Next, I'm going to be using the Collab Oh So Fresh Skin Tint. This is in the color Tan Honey. This was a little bit warm for my winter skin, but it did match the rest of my body. So I'm loving the natural glow I'm getting from this product. For concealer, I'm using the Collab No Flaws Liquid Concealer. This is in the shade Honey Almond. To warm up my skin, I'm using the Palladio Matte Bronzer. This is in the color Teeny Bikini, and for blush, I'm using the Femme Couture Get Rosy Powder Blush. This is in the shade Sunset Rose. To create a natural looking brow, I'm using the Ardell Stroke a Brow Feathering Pen. This has a really sharp tip with continuous product, so it's really easy to make hair-like strokes. I love to use this pen when I'm going for a more natural, soft look. For my eye look, I'm using the Ardell Sensual Eyes eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade First Love, and I love how it has these 4 shades that you can really do anything with. As you can see, I was able to use one of these shades as a highlighter and also did an entire eye look with just these 4 shadows. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Wispies in a new style. This is style 113. For my lips, I'm using the Femme Couture Plumping Gloss XXL Lip Shine. This is in the color Naughty Neutral. To set my makeup and add a dewy glow, I'm using the Femme Couture Get Locked Makeup Setting Spray. So guys, that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my hair care, skincare, and my beauty routine. I hope you guys are making goals for yourself in 2018, where you want to go, who you want to be. I really believe everybody needs a fresh start, so let's make 2018 the best year yet. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.